This is a power rack with 3 batteries installed and a 10 kilowatt inverter. Over here we have our load bank for the AC power, AC distribution panel, and this white block in the middle is the contactor that links the inverter through in parallel with the generator. Now, an oscilloscope for monitoring the inverter output voltage, the generator output voltage, inverter current and generator current. Around the back we have our generator controller that has a Hall effect current sensor on it. You can see the red wire going through it, and also current transformers on the inverter phase lead and the generator phase lead for showing the currents on the oscilloscope. Out here we have a Northern Lights 10 kilowatt marine generator set up to run on land. Okay, now we're going to turn the inverter on. So we have in yellow the inverter 230 volt 50 Hertz waveform, and in blue the inverter current. That's powering a 2 kilowatt load at the moment. Now we're going to start the generator. You'll see a flat top waveform out of the generator moving across the screen. It'll come into sync with the generator and then they'll connect. Okay, the inverter is pulling the generator voltage into a good sine wave, so it's causing some third harmonic current to flow. The generator current will ramp up over the next 5 minutes and warm the generator up. Okay, now you can see 30 amps coming out of the generator and about 20 amps going backwards through the inverter into the batteries. Plus we have another 10 amps going into our 2 kilowatt load. As we change the load on the system, the inverter will adjust the current that it draws to keep the current out of the generator constant. So if we increase the load on the system, the inverter will supply more current, but the generator will keep supplying the same current. So that's another 2 kilowatts of load, 4 kilowatts, 6 kilowatts, 8 kilowatts, 10 kilowatts, 12 kilowatts, plus the original 2 kilowatts makes 14 kilowatts we're supplying, with about 7 coming from the generator and another 7 from the inverter. And if we turn those off, you'll see that the inverter will supply less current and eventually its current will reverse and it will start charging the batteries. We're now going to turn the generator off and the system will transition to inverter only.